Hi, everyone. Welcome to our live stream today. It's August 4th, Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. My name is Melina. I'm with CampaignTrackly, and today we are talking advanced filters. How did we use them before and where they are in the GA platform? So, this is what we are going to be discussing today. Okay, a brief reminder of how we use the advanced filters in Universal GA, where they are today in the new GA4, then why this new feature is so much easier to use, and if there's time, we are going to try and have a quick highlight of our latest Salesforce integration feature. I'm joined today by my assistant, Cassie. Cassie, do you want to come and say hello to everybody here?
I'll be watching over the stream from behind the scenes, so I hope you enjoy the show.
Okay, amazing. Um, just a few moments to talk about how we'll organize the live streaming today. I'm going to be sharing my screen and going to be showcasing the old analytics platform as well as the new one. And meanwhile, Cassie is going to be manning the chat. So if anybody has any questions, please feel free to contact us. Okay, so let me get started. Okay, advanced filters, pros and cons. Advanced filters were a very quick and easy way for us to segment our data or pull it. And the way we used to do that was by going to the analytics platform. So this is the old GA platform here. And I would go to all campaigns and I will see that I have here an option to select a second dimension, such as city. And once I selected, I would see users who came from specific cities to participate or engage with our campaigns. So what you're seeing here is users from Princeton, York, or New York. Why? Because I have an advanced filter on. And my advanced filter here shows me that I want to see users from Princeton and York. So as you can see here that I'm using a very complex term, matching regular expression. Okay, it kind of makes it a bit difficult to use these advanced filters because if I want to only kind of see a city which contains Princeton, it is simple, right? I just hit apply and I'm going to be able to view Princeton here. But if I want to add more cities like New York, for example, I have to remember that I have to do the pipe sign, then I have to type New York, and then I have to hit apply. And I'm going to end up with no data. Why? Because I forgot that instead of containing, I have to put here matching regex expression and hit apply. And from here on, things are going to become even more complex if I want to do a little bit more advanced segmentation, right? And because the regular expressions are like really complex, we have here dots and question marks and pluses, etc. It's really becoming tough to get things working, especially if you're a marketer like me, right? It becomes virtually inaccessible. So what happened was with the new GA4, we have instead comparisons, and comparisons is a feature which enables us marketers to quickly pull our data and have a lot of good info and segmentation in a quick, friendly, and easy way. In GA4, this is where we are able to see everything. We are going to go to analytics. We are going to go to my generate leads report. I will click on traffic acquisition, and then I will be able to replace the default channel group with my session campaign. When I do this, I'm able here to see all of my campaigns, and I'm also able to see all of my cities here. And if I want to only poll Princeton, all I need to do is come here, click Edit Comparisons. I will create a new comparison, add new comparison. I will select my dimension as city. Then it's very easy for me to select either one city or multiple cities. So I can select Princeton and hit OK and hit apply. And I will remove this dimension here right now because I don't want to do this comparison. I only want to look at Princeton. So let me give it a little bit of time to happen. So the tool is going to show me multiple comparisons, which I want to remove. I want to only see my data from Princeton. So here you go. I have a little bit of delay. So let me do it again. I will have my, oops, the platform is loading. Okay, there you go. I was able to pre-select everything to show me only Princeton. And now I can go back to my new comparison again. I will select city, and then I will select here several cities: Uman, Princeton, Warsaw. I'll hit OK. And as you can see, immediately it shows me what is going to happen. And it's a very friendly way. I don't need to use any regular expressions. I don't need to remember any pipes, commas, or anything else. And I can just hit apply. And once I hit apply, in the beginning, I'm going to have these two comparisons, but I want to remove the all users comparisons because it's a lot of data. Probably it takes my computer a lot of time to process this. So I will remove the all users comparison, and I'll just give it a little bit of time. And once this is done, I should be able to slice my data to only include these 3 cities. Just give it a bit of seconds. And let's see. Okay, now it is going to be showing me data that only includes Princeton, Warsaw, and Oman. Normally, it should be quicker. I have a lot of data that Google Analytics has to sift through. That's why it is taking so much time. But as you can see, it is so much easier to use the edit comparisons feature. And not only that, you actually have the opportunity to add new condition to your sliced and diced or segmented report. And for example, I can add new condition here. I can select another dimension. I can say, hey, I want to see the browser. I want to see the browser. And the browser should include only Firefox, let's say. And I can hit OK. And I can hit apply, give it a little bit of time again. And now in this same report, I'll be able to see who from Uman and Warsaw is using the Firefox browser and actually how many sessions they're having with that. So in minutes, we are able to slice and dice our data and get really valuable comparisons and segmentations without the need to know regular expressions or use any code. So this is really an awesome feature, which I'm hoping that all of you guys are going to be using. Hopefully it was helpful to you. So what we did today was we used this opportunity to talk about GA4 and the new comparisons report, which replaces the advanced filters, and how to use it. And we have a little bit of time, and I want to use today this time to show you a sneak peek of one of our brand new advanced features. So if you are a Salesforce user, and you are using the campaigns object. So what you can do using CampaignTrackly is you can create a brand new campaign, and I'm going to create a brand new campaign with today's date, 2023 08 04, and I'm going to do live stream demo URL. And what you can do then is, as you create usually your campaigns, you can do a start date, you can do an end date. If you want to create any other information such as event, etc., you can edit. But the fun thing is, let's say I want the goal for today's campaign to be for users to use our contact us page. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to put the URL here. And I am going to say, hey, I want to use this template here. And the template is actually something which sits in our CampaignTrackly app. And it is a combination of tracking tags, and it defines the architecture of the link. Then what I'm going to do is I want to say, hey, my campaign convention should be live stream, Friday, August 4th, okay? And this is important for companies which need to have specific campaign conventions. And then I just, hit save, and I'll give it a couple of minutes. And while I'm waiting for the magic to happen, I would like to show you what's happening on the back end. So what's happening on the back end is we have here the marketing campaigns tables. So because CampaignTrackly is talking to Salesforce, when we refresh here, what we will expect to see is this brand new campaign that was created to very soon show up here. And as soon as it shows up here, our platform will automatically stitch together all of the tracking tags which are included into the template that I selected, and it will add them to the link that I added, and hopefully it will send me an email, and it will also populate back the tracking link into Salesforce. So let me give it a little bit of time. There is a slight delay, and see if this is working. Let me see. Live stream August 4. Okay, here you go. Live stream demo. And I can see here that it created the unique ID, and it has my start and end date. This is automatically populated in my account in CampaignTrackly. And I also see that I received an email, and the email is, hey, the new campaign is created successfully. And if I go back now here, and if I look at my details, let's refresh the details, I will be able to see that my link was hopefully sent back into my Salesforce. Let's see, maybe it takes a little bit of time for this to happen. Maybe I need to wait a little bit more. It takes a little bit of time, but it should get populated here. Well, while I'm waiting for this to happen, sometimes there's a delay between the two platforms. I wanted to thank you for your time to join us today and watch this brief presentation. Hopefully, it was useful to you and you are able to see how your advanced filters are now converted into advanced comparisons, which are very easy to use. And hopefully, you're also excited about our brand new feature, which allows you to create trackable links right from your from your Salesforce account without the need to hop platforms and without the need to actually log into our CampaignTrackly or come and create anything extra. Thank you for your time. Hopefully this was useful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@campaigntrackly.com. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.